How to send one-time view pictures on Messenger. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send a one-time view picture on Facebook Messenger using the latest method. We all know how Facebook Messenger lets us send pictures and video, but did you know you can send them so that the recipient can only view them once? No screenshot, no saving, just one time, and it's great. Before we dive in, make sure your Messenger app is up to date. Open your app store and simply search for Messenger. And make sure there is no update available. If there is, simply update the app. Now you can start by opening the Messenger app. Now next, choose a conversation you want to send a one-time view photo to. You can send it to a friend, group chat, or even yourself if you want to test it out. Now simply tap on the camera icon and simply select the photo you want, or simply click the photo. Now here's the important part. Once you select or simply click on the new photo, here as you can see of send media that can only be viewed once, simply tap on OK, and as you can see, view once has been enabled. Now just hit on send. The person you're sending to will see a notification letting them know it's a one-time view picture. Once they open the image, it will be shown to them once, and after they view it, it will automatically disappear. And that's it. That's how you can simply send one-time view picture on Facebook Messenger.